Hello friends, welcome to this session of Week Team Greater Noida. So today we'll be discussing about report writing. So what is report writing? Report writing is nothing but just a form of written communication. There are so many types of written communication out there like letter, article, then notice writing. So like all that, report writing is also a form of written communication and nothing. So, why do we need report writing, or what is the need of report writing? Report writing is nothing but it provides information about any company, or it like we can implement plans and programs through report writing. Okay, so how to write a report? What are the points that we have to make sure that we have to look forward to write a report? The main points that we need to remember while writing a report: investigating the source of information. So in a company, someone has asked his or her junior to write a report about the other company, how they are working or how they are functioning, right? So we have to investigate the information of the source first. Like, we have to go there, we have to check out how they are working and how they are functioning. So we need a proper information about the industry. Okay, so after that, there are taking notes. We have to take the important notes of that we should include in our report writing. Okay, interpreting and analyzing the facts. So suppose we have gone to a company and they are saying that yeah, this is working and this are the functioning. So we can't only trust them basis on their words. We have to we have to analyze the fact that how much they are telling the truth, right? So up next is writing the outlines. So we have to write the outlines, write the main points that should be included first in the report, from forwarding the last points that are not that much important, but that is also important to give the information, or that have to be included in the report writing. Okay, after that, editing and revising. After we have made a report, after we had made the important points, we have made the outlines, we have taken notes, analyzed facts, and after that we have to edit the report. Like we are asked to give it a formal way, give it in a formal way. So we are now need to edit and revise that all the points are in all the points are very appropriate, and all the points are very subjective. Like, they are very short, because formal letters or formal things are not meant to be of so much words, or not meant to be long. It should be short. Okay? So after that, these are the points we need to remember while writing a report. So now I will show you how to write a report, and I will show you an example. Okay. Now I will show you how to write a report. Okay. First, we need to remind that every report doesn't have a header. Okay. Every report does not include or contain header. Reports that are meant to be officials or about industries or any official proposal, that should have header. Other reports should does not contain header. All kind of report does not contain header. And so firstly, we have to check out how to write a report. Like, first we need to address to whom we are writing the report. To suppose Ravi. Okay, uh, managing director. Sorry. Managing director. Now, from suppose me, myself, Sanjana, assistant